In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Copcoin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. As you can see, I have already added my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com. On the search bar, type down COP, and you will see here the COP coin on the left side. And just scroll down and you will see the contract address. Just copy the contract address, go to your MetaMask wallet, scroll down and click import tokens, click custom token and then paste the address here, click add custom token, click import tokens once we buy the Copcoin token later on. Then go to app.uniswap.org, click here and select a token you want to swap, for example Ethereum. Click here and then paste the address here, click here, click here, then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example 1 Ethereum. Then I will receive this amount of Copcoin. Now once I type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. Make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the instructions to be completed and go back again to your MetaMask wallet to check if you have received the Copcoin in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Copcoin, leave a comment below.